Hello, in this video I will show you how to change passcode on iPhone 15 Plus. So you have to start with opening Settings application and now scroll down and find Face ID and Passcode option right here. And now you have to enter your current passcode. And if you want to change your passcode, scroll down and find Change Passcode option. And now you have to enter your current passcode. And now you have to enter your new passcode. You have to repeat your new passcode. And now your passcode has been changed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.